Hello everybody, welcome to the Martial Arts of Sales. Sorry for the delay, but I'm on my own today. I have an incredible topic that I've done once before, but I'm going to expand on it. It's absolutely phenomenal, it's exciting, but more importantly, if you watch this, it's going to help your sales exponentially. Here's my secret: how to use my 5 secret weapons to becoming a master salesman and a consistent closer. Continue to watch. Now for the introduction. Hello everybody, welcome to the Martial Arts of Sales. I'm feeling it today. It's been a great week. I'm excited. I got deals in the pipeline that are about to close today, and I have an incredible topic that I need to share with you. I've done it once before, but I'm going to go a little bit deeper into it, and I hope you embrace it, you learn it, you apply it, so that you could get more results in your sales career. I'm excited, and I tell you, I feel like dancing, and it's been a long time. But we're gonna dance with sales music, all right? Welcome to the Martial Arts of Sales. My name is Paul Cruz. If you're watching this video on YouTube, if you like it, smash the like button, share with others, and subscribe, and also give me your feedback. I really do appreciate that. Now let's dig into it. I'm going to share a secret with you. I call it how to use my 5 secret weapons to becoming a master salesman and a consistent closer. Let's dig into this. The first one is the art of cold calling. It's like a pill you don't want to take, right? Some of you probably don't even think about cold calling, but let me tell you something. It is the most phenomenal art to learn if you learn it the right way. I've been cold calling for 30 years. I say that all the time. And I'll never stop. I just recently closed 2 deals by cold calling. Most of my deals are through cold calling. And I'll never give it up. But why is it important? Here's why. You get to build the right foundation. What do I mean by foundation? I'm going to give you an analogy. Let's say you wanted to build a custom house. What's the first thing you want to do? You want to make sure you purchase a land that's not encumbered, meaning it has no liens on it. It's clean title. Then once you have the blueprint and you're ready, you're going to hire a general contractor, right? What is the contractor going to do first? They're going to break ground. Once they break ground, what they're going to do next is they're going to put in the pipes. Once they pipe it, they're going to cement it. Once they cement it, they frame the house, they put the roof on the house, then they put the window, then they work on the interior. The end result is you got a beautiful home, right? If it doesn't have a strong foundation, what happens if there's a winter storm or a tornado or a hurricane or whatever the case may be? The house will collapse, right? It won't be able to withstand bad weather. Why? Because it had a weak foundation. The same thing with sales. For me, the art of cold calling develops the right foundation for you to become a much more better and consistent salesperson and closer, because that's where the value is. Does that make sense? So learn the art of cold calling, embrace it, enjoy it, learn it, and I promise you, your sales will grow exponentially. Number 2, once you do that and you got the foundation from your house, what you start to do? You start to decorate the interior of your house, right? How do you do that? Number 2 is the art of storytelling. What should the art of storytelling do for you as a salesperson? What it's done for me? It should increase your value. Now, how do you do that? Sometimes you may get objections from customers that say, I don't want to hear story. I have the most powerful rebuttal for that, for you and anybody else who tells me that. Just ask this question. And I'm going to ask you this question. Do you go to the movies? Do you watch movies at home? Do you watch movies on your cell phone or your laptop or your computer? If you do, why do you do that? Why do customers do that? Because they want to see a good story. They want to hear a good story. Do any of you listen to music? Or listen to a radio host? Why do you do that? Because you want to hear a good story. You're engaged. We all like to hear good stories. So don't let anybody tell you otherwise. But the way you build your value in storytelling is, number one, you listen to the customers. You learn how to handle their objection by becoming a master at rebuttals. You understand the industry. You understand the problems they have. You understand the needs and the wants that they have. And then more importantly, you have the solution to all of that. That, my friend, is the true meaning of the art of storytelling. It's my favorite part. That's when 90% of the deals are closed or lost. Number 3, the art of conviction. What should it do? It should establish trust and value. Here's what I mean is, if you're not convinced and you don't have conviction that you are a good salesperson, that you're valuable, that they need to own what you're offering them, that you're offering and selling value, and that you actually use the product yourself, and that they need to own it because it's going to help their business, how are you going to convince them if you're not convinced? Think about that. The art of conviction is when they start to buy you and believe in you. Because if you don't, they won't. They're going to follow the way you lead them. And what is leading me? Leading to me is serving them. Letting them know that you got their back. But you have to be convinced. You got to have conviction. Without that, game is over. Don't even try. Now, once you do that, number 4 is the art of persuasion. What should the art of persuasion establish? Execute the win-win strategy. Once you identify the problem, you have the solution. Now it's time to put the strategy together. That they're going to know that what you're going to do is going to give them the result. Now, people say, I don't like to be persuaded. Well, I'm here to tell you, we're all being persuaded every single day, whether you know it, accept it, or not. I know I am, but I know it. So if you don't want to persuade your customers to go with you, I'll persuade them to do business with me. That is your call. But we're all being persuaded. And don't ever deny that to yourself, because then you're going to fall for lies. So I'm telling you straight up, the art of persuasion is where the win-win strategy is built and developed. Number 5, I call it the art of the 3 C's. And what should the 3 C's do? Producing results and produce win-win situations. What are the 3 C's? Number 1 is what I call closing. Closing to me is a telephone transaction, which is what 90% of my business is. Meaning I talk to a customer, I pitch them, I either do a one-call close, I do a follow close, they give me a credit card, and we do a deal. The second one is converting leads into sale. That's more automated. That's more an online thing. People respond to me, I call them back, and I convert them into a sale. Number 3 is creating opportunities that leads into sale. Meaning this, I could be talking with people that I don't know. All of a sudden, I see things starts to come together. I create an opportunity right there in the moment, and I create a deal that not only the people I'm dealing with benefit, but I benefit, and I close the deal. Those are the 3 C's. Very simple. But it starts with the foundation. Does that make sense? So, again, if you're watching this video on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button below. If you like the video, smash the like button, do share with others, and also send me your feedback. And by the way, I want to make an announcement. On Sunday, February 23rd, 2020, from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm doing my first workshop seminar here in El Paso, Texas. I'm inviting all of you. I'm going to be live streaming on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at The Paul Cruz Show. I hope you attend. It's going to be an incredible day, and it's going to help your business grow, not only in sales, but hopefully the environment of your business. Again, I want to thank you all for being part of the Martial Arts of Sales. Till we speak again, I say goodbye for now. Have a great day. Bye.